Alright, so why are we using Keynote and how is it going to help us do our math assignments? Well, the difference between Keynote and Google Slides is the ability to write on the slides with a stylus or your finger and being able to really mark them up. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how you get to those markup tools. So you're going to hit the three dots underneath my red recording symbol and it gives you some options. You're going to click Edit. And then from there, you're going to click the plus sign. You're going to click Drawing. And now you have all of these tools at your disposal to mark up and write on and to show your understanding for math. Then, if you wanted to add a text box, let's say that there wasn't a text box, even though most of my stuff is made out of text boxes, you're gonna, you can insert a text box by going over one to the Shapes tool and then click Text, and now you have a text box. You double tap and then you can type whatever you need to, change the font, all that good stuff. The next thing is the read aloud feature. So I read all of my slides aloud and they're in the corner. So everywhere you see a microphone or an audio speaker, it's me reading the slide aloud. But you can also double tap on your stuff and you can have it read to you. So you would click Speak.
Name two pairs of corresponding angles. What can you say about the sizes of these angles?
So that's how you can get it to read to you if that's something that you want. The last thing is a media placeholder. So you're going to see cameras in different lessons, and that just means it's a media placeholder, so it's holding the place for a picture. So let's say I would rather do my work on a piece of paper instead of doing it on the slide itself. I'm going to click the plus, and from there I can choose to insert a picture that I've already taken, or I can choose to take a picture. So let's say I take a picture, and I'm just going to take a picture of my keyboard here. So when I take that picture, I use it, it's automatically sized to fit in that space. There we go. For some reason it froze up on me. So it's automatically designed to take up exactly the amount of space that I want for it to take up, so it doesn't take up your whole slide. So those are kind of the features of Keynote and the features that we're going to use for math class, because it's got a lot of tools and shapes and things that we can use better than Google to show our work and to demonstrate understanding.